Well, sorry for the late update on the Mazda. I had a kind of a really bad experience. That engine the junkyard sent me originally was bad. Then they sent me another engine, that engine was bad as well. It was just a bad 2 weeks. So anyway, I got another engine from a reputable yard, put it in, and it finally runs. So see, runs good. The only thing I have to do left now is just the solenoids, wire them up to the 2.5 solenoids, which I already have the pigtails on it. So I'm just having to decide if I want to splice them in here and overlay it, or do I want to just grab the wires over here at the ECM connector and then just run it straight there so it doesn't kind of loop back and forth. But I don't know yet. My brother's got my scan tool. I'm gonna wait for him to bring it back, and then I'm gonna probably just mock it up for now, make sure it all works before I cut the wires. Either way. These are the engines. So this engine on the left was the first engine the junkyard sent me. Had a rob knock. This was the second engine they sent me. It had a blown head gasket. It actually had a bunch of that stop leak shit in it. Then that's the original engine. So yeah, I am not buying engines anymore from any yards I don't know or haven't dealt with before. Because this was just a really bad experience and a waste of time. A big waste of time.